If you're running a marketing agency and still handling the entire production process for every client campaign, Advertising Studio is going to completely transform the economics for you. It's absolutely free to try out right now on NVIDIA. Click the link in the description of this video, and their paid plans are designed for the level of output that agencies genuinely require. Right, let's go and check them out. Stay tuned until the end of this video. Let's go. Okay, everyone, so I'm logged in. I'm in NVIDIA right now. So what I'm going to do is walk you through NVIDIA, showing you just how good it actually is for an Amazon seller. And I'll be showing you the complete Amazon seller SKU production process. So an Advertising Studio's AI is capable of identifying and interpreting a creative brief and making precise art direction decisions tailored to any specific marketing format. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do their primary, secondary, and A+ content with the help of Advertising Studio right here on NVIDIA. So make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to show you the results in just a moment. Let's get started. Right, everyone. So what you want to do is come down here to the bottom left, just here, where you can see agent and models as well. So what we're going to do is select the Advertising Studio. So we'll click on that. And once we've clicked on that, you'll see it takes you to a screen that looks like this. And this is where we're going to be creating the Amazon A+ content, as well as the Amazon primary image. Then we'll do their secondary image right there, as you can see. So I've got 3 different briefs, all in the same niche. It's going to be in the kitchen. So first of all, let's start with the Amazon primary image. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to select new and call it kitchen project. So I'll click create project. All right. So now, as you can see, we're going to replace this. I'm going to copy and paste my own brief in, and then I'm going to upload an image. And as you can see right there, Amazon primary image. You can go here and change that as well. But give me a moment to upload my image and then paste in my brief. And I'll show you exactly how InVideo and Advertising Studio actually do it. Right then, everyone, this is how we're going to go through the entire Amazon SKU pipeline. So as you can see, I've uploaded my image there and copied and pasted my brief. I'm literally just going to click unlimited and it'll start generating. So I'm going to give it 2 minutes. Then I'm going to show you how to do the secondary image, followed by A+ content. And after that, we'll check out all the different images. All right, everyone, that's the first part of the process done. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to clear this up and then I'm going to head over here, which is where I'll go to Advertising Studio again. And now I'm going to look at the Amazon secondary image. So I'll click on that. Then what I'll do is paste in another brief and then I'll click generate. As you can see, it's set to the secondary image now, so I'll paste in my brief. And then all I need to do is click this button that says unlimited and it will start generating now. So as you can see, we're in the same workflow. We don't need to switch tabs. We don't need to change anything. All you need to do is come down here and switch it from the primary image to the secondary image. And after this, we'll move on to the A+ content. Then I'll show you the result of the entire process. All right, everyone, that's done now as well. So the secondary image is finished. You can have a quick sneak peek just over there. Now we're going to go this way again. We're going to head over there and go to Amazon A+ content. So we click that. Then we remove this and paste in our own prompt. All right, everyone, now that I've pasted in my own brief, we've still got the same image. As you can see, Amazon A+ content. Going to kick that. It's going to generate. And when this is done, I'll show you the results and the process of the entire Amazon pipeline. So the full Amazon pipeline has now been completed. So what we're going to do is, as you can see, it's in the same workflow. So let's have a look at the primary image. As you can see, the primary image is just this stainless steel French coffee maker. There's really nothing special about it. As you can see, we specified a pure white background and it literally included everything we put in the brief. So that's quite good. And then when we move on to the secondary image, we say snow, show it in a warm morning kitchen scene. And that's exactly what it does. So if you have a look at this image, it's really high quality. And this is what you'll be using to actually scale up and get more sales on Amazon. So this is a good image. This is a really good image, and it literally took seconds within the same workflow, and it did everything. You asked for it in the brief. And then the A+ content right here. This is really, really good. As you can see, it's integrated into a background right there. It's really high quality as well. And as you can see, it's got some writing on it there as well. The morning roast coat, which I think is actually really, really cool. As you can see, we didn't switch tabs. We didn't change anything. The same workflow. And we could do all of this literally from one place within minutes. So this is definitely going to help you scale your business. That's a complete Amazon listing image set. Primary, secondary, and A+ content, all from a single product image. Every preset on Advertising Studio is completely free on NVIDIA. The link will be in the description, so go and have a look. If you're an Amazon seller, Go and run your best SKU through this and see what your listing could look like. Now let's crack on with the rest of the points. Most Amazon sellers know that their images actually matter, but producing a full asset set per SKU is expensive and it's slow when done the traditional way. It usually takes a while, whereas now, with Advertising Studio and NVIDIA, it only takes minutes. Usually, the primary image, the secondary image, and the A+ content each require different creative decisions, different format specifications, and different visual intentions. But the creative director agent actually understands all three, doesn't need to be briefed about Amazon's requirements. It already knows them. So that will also save you a lot of time, money, and even spare you a headache. For sellers with 10, 50, or even 500 SKUs, this is the difference between images being a bottleneck and images being a competitive advantage. So I would suggest you go and check out NVIDIA and Advertising Studio so you can use it as an advantage rather than a bottleneck. Now, I'm going to tell you a bit more about what actually sets apart a good image listing and how it looks completely different visually. So for the primary image, the agent already knows that this is a conversion asset. That means it'll be clean, centered with a white background and absolutely no distractions. But when it comes to the secondary image, the agent switches to a lifestyle and benefit communication mode. So what the agent will do is actually place it in a background in context. So it will highlight lifestyle features and point out features visually as well. That's where the difference comes in. And with A+ content, the agent moves into a brand narrative, right? So, editorial quality, emotional resonance, and premium positioning. Each of these is a different creative register, and the agent switches between them automatically based on the format you select. So, if you're managing 10 SKUs and all of them require a different campaign set or image set, that means you'll have to do 10 separate shoots to actually complete that full SKU set. So that wastes your time, and Advertising Studio condenses that into 10 briefs instead of doing 10 different shoots. So new product launches don't actually require a production lead time. You brief the agent, you get the assets, and you post it or you list it straight away. And even seasonal refreshers become effortless. So all you have to do is brief a new thematic direction for the same product, generate a new set of assets, and update your listing. And there you have it. You can do that literally within minutes. So sellers who keep their listing images fresh and test consistently outperform those who use the same static images. So that's how you can actually use NVIDIA and Advertising Studio to your advantage. If you're selling on Amazon and your listing images haven't been updated in the last 6 months, you're losing sales because the competitors who are constantly testing and refreshing. Advertising Studio makes this effortless, and it's completely free to try out right now on NVIDIA. So click the link in the description of this video so you can go and check them out. Are you serious about scaling your catalog? Their paid plans are designed for exactly that level of volume. Thank you so much for watching today's video, everyone. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. And we'll see you in the next one.